Are you preparing for the CompTIA Server SK0-005 exam? Then you need to be ready for more than definitions. You need to think like a real technician. In this video, we're diving into 5 real-world scenarios that reflect what you'll actually face on exam day and on the job. Let's start with the cloud. Imagine you're evaluating software for a virtual server environment. You're asked, what's the most common licensing model for cloud software? Would you say perpetual? That's old school. The answer is subscription-based licensing. Cloud platforms thrive on flexible, usage-based pricing models that scale with business needs. This model supports agile deployments and easier updates, core benefits in modern IT. Next, you're called in to troubleshoot slow server performance. You want real-time insights. Which metrics do you check first? A few wrong answers here: page file, application, or heartbeat. But the correct ones, CPU and memory. These are your primary indicators of system load. A high CPU percentage or memory usage points to resource strain. Monitoring these helps you diagnose performance bottlenecks before users even report them. Now picture this: a Linux server has been working fine until suddenly it refuses to save large files. Small files? No problem. Large ones? Denied. What do you check first? Answer: df-h. This command reveals whether the file system is full. A full disk stops write operations cold, even if there's still room in the inode table. Always check available space before assuming deeper issues. After a power outage, one server keeps going offline. It forgets its configuration. The time is wrong, and users can't authenticate to applications. Other servers are fine. This points to 2 culprits: a dead CMOS battery, which resets BIOS settings, and a disabled time sync service, causing issues with authentication protocols like Kerberos. In the real world, accurate time isn't just a convenience, it's a requirement for system trust and functionality. You're managing a remote database server with 12 external disk arrays. Suddenly, all external arrays go into a degraded state. The internal arrays? Still healthy. What do? Don't jump on a plane. Instead, log in remotely, access the RAID utility, and start diagnosing. From there, you can coordinate with on-site techs if any drives need replacing. Fast response, minimal downtime. These are just a few real-world examples based directly on Server Plus exam objectives. If you want more scenarios like this, including full-length practice exams, check out Cert Boosters for Server Plus SK0-005 Practice Question Pack. Designed by certified subject matter experts, made for test success. Don't just memorize, train your problem-solving mindset. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Server Plus prep content. You've got this.